In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Gmail accounts. It's a straightforward process, but if you're not familiar with it, it can seem a bit daunting. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's make this simple. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail sign-in page. If you're already signed in, you'll see your inbox. In the top right corner, you'll notice your profile picture or an avatar icon. Click on that to open a small menu, where you'll see an option labeled Manage Your Google Account. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your account settings page, which is essentially your control center for all things Google related. Once you're on this page, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you need to select the option that says Data Privacy. This section is where you can manage various aspects of how your data is handled and controlled. It might seem a tad overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry, we're only focusing on a couple of specific options here. Now, scroll down until you find the section titled Data from Apps and Services You Use. You'll want to click on Third-Party Apps with Account Access. This is crucial because it's where you see which accounts and services are linked to your Google account. Next, review the list of third-party apps. These are applications that have some level of access to your Google account. Be sure to take a moment to recognize and understand each app. If you see something unfamiliar or unneeded, it's a good opportunity to revoke its access. But more importantly, when you're unlinking a Gmail account, you want to ensure you do it selectively and carefully. Find the specific Gmail account or application you wish to unlink. Click on it and a pop-up will appear giving you an option to remove access. It's as simple as selecting Remove Access and confirming your choice when prompted. Repeat this step for any other apps or accounts you want to unlink, ensuring your primary Gmail account and related services are set up just the way you want. Before wrapping up, it's good to verify that the unlinking process has been successful. You can do this by going back to the Gmail homepage, checking your profile again for any unwanted accounts or applications that might still be listed. This additional step helps avoid any oversight, giving you peace of mind that your data remains secure and personal preferences intact. That's it for today's tutorial on how to unlink Gmail accounts. It's a small step towards better data management and personal privacy, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might find this information useful. Thanks for watching, and take care.